Welcome children. Again I am with you. Welcome to my channel Survive Physics. Today topic of discussion already have written foundation course physics. That means those are appearing for NEET or AITPL or JEE Main. I think their base level in 9-10 in physics must be very strong enough so that they will be get comfortable when they will be promoted to class 11 and taking science. They can consult reference book easily. So take this class seriously. As a experienced teacher of CBSE board, I am trying my level best to teach you in such a way that you will get benefit from this course once you subscribe my channel. And I am thinking that I shall try my level best to make you strong in this subject. Uh, from depth you try how to develop concept on which you can solve the all numericals easily. Today discussion of topic is revision, that is a revision of motion. S equal to ut plus half at square. Then I give some basic concept of momentum, impulse and impulsive force, that is related to class 11 also, Newton's third law, and some examples and rectangular components of the vector of force. Suppose force is another vector, same concept, and paradigm law of addition of force, non-initial frame and pseudo force and contact force. So all these topics one by one I am going to discuss. So first thing that I shall do, that what is the revision of that. Suppose a particle, answer 1 I am discussing one. Suppose a particle initial velocity u and final velocity v for time t. Suppose a particle moving with velocity u and final velocity, u is the initial velocity and v is the final velocity. So average velocity u plus v by 2. In that time, displacement s equal to average velocity into time. So we have u plus v by 2 into t. So s equal to, if you put u plus v by 2 into t, then v equal to, we are getting u plus at plus v by 2 and t. So you are getting s equal to ut plus half at square. So this is the formula already I have derived, but you will forget. So I am trying to revise this equation again, and I shall use this formula in numericals also. So this is the, again I am telling, s equal to ut plus half at square, initial velocity u, final velocity v for a time t. Now calculate average initial plus final by 2. Now displacement given by average velocity into time, so u plus v by 2 into t. So you are getting s equal to u plus v by 2 into t. Already first equation, already you know, I have derived for you u plus at. This equation you are getting from acceleration concept, change the velocity by time, you are getting this velocity. If you put this all, then you are getting ut plus half at square. In motion chapter, that is very important formula, and derivation this formula sometimes comes. Next I am discussing with you, that is the Newton momentum. You know, momentum is the measure of motion in momentum p vector mass into velocity. So once mass is constant, if you give more velocity, that means when the body is being under maximum force gradually increasing, that means momentum increasing. So this momentum of a body increases as unbalanced force acting on the body. So in that case, mass is constant, and you know that force equal to mass constant dv by dt. That means rate of change of velocity, instantaneous velocity with respect to time, that is the force. So momentum is very important. Suppose a taxi, already I have told you, and a truck, both moving with 100, 200 meter. So in that case, momentum for the truck is more than the taxi because mass of the truck is more than the taxi. Naturally, momentum is a very important part. If force is zero, that means dv by d, that means dp by dt you can write. That means F equal to dp by dt, force is 0, means dp by dt equal to 0, that means P constant. That means when two bodies are interacting, suppose two bodies, one is M1, that is when two bodies interacting, M1 moving with velocity U1, another